If I can ask you guys to do a favor and everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Since this is the last concert, Wildest Show on the road. And everybody sway to side like this. Come on. Mustang Sally, I think you better slow your Mustang down. Come on, don't forget the sway, gang. Don't forget the sway. Mustang Sally, baby, I think you better slow your Mustang down. You running all over the town, my baby, 'cause you gotta keep your flat feet on the ground. It's alright. Alright, gang. Repeat after me. All you got to do is ride around Sally. Everybody sing. Alright. All you got to do is ride around Sally. Everybody sing. All you got to do is ride around Sally. Everybody sing. All you got to do, I said, all you got to do is. You're running all over the town, mommy, yeah, 'cause you got to keep your flat feet on the ground. It's alright. Alright, gang, one more time. Here we go. All you got to do is ride around Sally. Everybody, come on. Alright. All you got to do is ride around Sally. Everybody sing. All you got to do is ride around Sally. All you got to do, I said, all you got to do is. You're running all over the town, my baby, 'cause you got to keep your flat feet on the ground. It's alright. Good night, everybody. Malama Bono. Ahui ho. See you later. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sean Noel. Come on, let's hear it for him. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. God bless you all. Please drive carefully. We'll see you again next year. Thank you to McDonald's Restaurants of Hawaii, the Honolulu Zoological Society. I want to thank Woody Barbosa of Aloha Audio, to all the ukulele makers that donated ukuleles, to Kanilea, Tamaka, Kala, Ko'aloha. So thank you to them. Ladies and gentlemen, drive carefully. Don't forget, last chance, $10 for the concert this Saturday with Ho'okena. You can buy your tickets right up there at the tent. God bless you all. Take care. Aloha.